Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great Monday so far. And welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. I'll tell you what I expect in the next 24 hours or so. As I also said yesterday, it's the first Monday of September, so volatility is expected at least at the beginning of the week. Now, over the last couple of weeks, usually what we've seen is that most of the volatility actually came on Tuesday instead of Monday. And I'm not too sure about today. I mean, right now, we're seeing a little bearish momentum coming from the dollar strength index, which should be bullish for Bitcoin. But so far, it's still struggling with this area around the 236 fib. So right now, there's not that much bullish momentum yet. Volume is already pretty high, around 10 billion, so I'm not sure if today we're going to get any moves, but I will tell you what to expect just in general from this start of the month and start of the week. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, but you also gain access to a chat room and a trading guide, very valuable. That's also where I post some of my, I have a new strategy I'm working on. And I also post about that strategy in there. It's basically trying to catch huge rallies early. That's, isn't that what we're all trying to do? But something like that. But if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or in the pinned comments. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So usually, just to start off with this week, there's barely any economic events. If there are any economic events, I will tell you about them in these videos, in these daily Bitcoin updates. And historically, September has always been bearish. I'm not sure if we can actually look that up. I think this was September right here. Here you can see September started. We got a bit of a rally right here, but that was also, I think that was before the merge actually. And then the rest of September was just a bit bearish and a bit boring. And then the September before that was actually very bullish, I think. Yeah, September before that right here, oh no, was also bearish, even though the market was recovering. So overall, September, not too much happening, especially not if there aren't any fundamental events. Like I said, I mean, the dollar strength index is finding some resistance here, and it's also nearing some stronger resistance. But overall, it's still bullish. All right, so I also said this yesterday, but I do expect Bitcoin to kind of either with a retest off of 25,700 or not, but I expect it to get up to this level between 26,200 and 26,400. In the end, that is the range which we are in, between 26,400 and 25,650 to be precise. So I do expect, I don't see any reason why necessarily Bitcoin would not get to the top of that range. I also don't see any reason why it would break out above that, all right? It's the first Monday of the month, so a lot is possible, but something like this, I would say only has a chance of about 10%. I mean, there are no bullish catalysts like ETF approvals coming soon. So something like this doesn't seem likely. Maybe if the dollar strength index starts falling a lot, but that also doesn't seem that likely. I think in general it's likely to get up to that range, but then also find resistance there and start dropping again. And then at some point of time, due to the strong dollar strength index and due to the bearish Bitcoin right now, or at least the bearish market structure that Bitcoin is showing right now, I do think it's more likely that Bitcoin at some point of time will break down below 25,700 and drop down towards that level between 25,000 and 24,700, which is part of a huge key area, but that's really the main price target. So basically what I said yesterday, I mean, not a lot has changed. Like I said, I mean, today we can actually expect volatility at the very least. I expect there to be some bullish momentum as well. But overall, that's my view and that's my analysis on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions about my view or about my analysis, or if you just want to discuss something, I'm always open for that. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.